What if the most trusted pickup truck in America just decided to break all its own rules? What if power, technology, and toughness finally met in a way no one expected? The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado pickup isn't just an update, it's a bold warning to every other truck on the road. Chevrolet didn't come to compete this year, they came to dominate. Welcome back to Power Garage, where real machines meet real performance. Today we're taking a deep look at the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado pickup, a truck built for people who demand strength, reliability, and modern innovation in one unstoppable package. From the moment you see it, the Silverado looks more aggressive and more confident than ever before. The redesigned front end carries a wider stance, sharper LED lighting, and a commanding grille that instantly tells you this truck means business. Under the hood, the 2026 Silverado delivers serious muscle. Chevrolet has refined its engine lineup to offer stronger torque, smoother power delivery, and better efficiency without sacrificing durability. Whether you're towing heavy equipment, hauling payloads, or pushing through rough terrain, this truck feels solid and controlled. The Silverado has always been known for its work ethic, and in 2026, that reputation only gets stronger. Step inside the cabin, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. This is no longer just a work truck interior, it's a command center. A large digital driver display pairs with an advanced touchscreen infotainment system, giving you instant access to navigation, trailering data, and vehicle performance. Premium materials, improved seat comfort, and quieter cabin insulation make long drives easier, whether you're on the job or on the highway. Technology takes a huge leap forward in the 2026 Silverado. Advanced driver assistance systems help keep you safe, while smart trailering features make towing simpler and more precise than ever. From blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage to improved camera angles, this truck is designed to support you in real-world situations. Chevrolet didn't just add tech for show, they added tech that works. On the road, the Silverado feels balanced and confident. It rides smoother, handles better, and responds faster than previous generations. Off the road, it proves why it's a true pickup, capable of handling dirt, mud, and challenging terrain without hesitation. This truck adapts to your lifestyle, whether that means job sites, family trips, or weekend adventures. What truly sets the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado apart is its ability to blend tradition with innovation. It respects its rugged heritage while embracing the future of trucks. Chevrolet has built a pickup that doesn't just meet expectations, it raises them. So is the 2026 Silverado the ultimate pickup for the modern driver? With its bold design, powerful performance, smart technology, and everyday comfort, it's making a very strong case. Let us know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned to Power Garage for more high-power reviews, because the road ahead is getting very exciting.